Today I'm going to be reviewing Pisfau's 300 watt inverter for your car with a DC plug. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. What I really like about this is you get the two plugs in there, you get 300 watts, and the USB-A's and the USB-C's will get 24 watts. So usually like a laptop's about 150. You can charge some tablets or phones on there. If you have an older vehicle, this will be really nice because they don't have any USB or USB-C ports to charge in. Just remember 300 watts total. To turn this on, just right here, I did plug this in my car. It has a little fan noise, not a very big deal. You need that to cool things down. This does really well on Amazon, 4.5 stars. I love to see that. Over 300 reviews, and last month, November 2025, over 200 plus of these were sold. I'm going to put a picture up here of things that you can actually use while it's plugged in here, because you can't plug in a refrigerator or something like that. But if you're looking for a way to get power into your car and charge some phones and stuff like that, this is the way to go. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.